Andito na po yung mga iimbitahan natin, ha? Again, so para klaro po tayo. So ang iimbitahan po natin yung si Cassandra Leong, Dennis Cunanan, Harry Roque, Andrea Domingo, Dole Secretary, PSA, DFA, LTO wala na, CESA, Bataan, saka Aurora na mga EPZ, Telcos, NTC, PORAC Municipal Assessor, and also the deliverables that are mentioned a while ago. Well, sa susunod na po natin itong babasahin at alam na naman natin to. So we'll be asking the COMSEC to comply with all these deliverables and the invitees in the next hearing. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that, I need the motion.
Move to adjourn, Mr. Chair.
Suspended.
I move to suspend, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to suspend this hearing on behalf of the Committee on Public Order and Safety. This committee hearing is now suspended.
On the part of the Committee on Games and Amusement, this meeting is suspended. Okay na, let's go.
Maraming salamat po.
See you.
See you.
See you. Stay.